Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we will show you how to reset the engine oil, okay, on Smart. Okay, that's my wife there, on her Smart right here. If you guys didn't know change and you need to reset it, let me show you right here now. Okay, if you start the vehicle, you can see the range right here with negative 308 miles, so it was due 308 miles ago. So stay with us, guys, and we'll show you how to reset it now. Alright, guys, you need the key now. You need to go insert it and you need to turn it to second position when you have the lights on the dash, but not start the car, and you need to press. Okay, after you turn it, you need to press this button twice and turn the ignition off. Okay, watch now. Okay, turn it off. Now hold that one and go ahead and start the car. Okay, and it will reset. Ours just says now 10,000 miles because I accidentally reset it before we did the video. You keep holding it for about 10 seconds. Okay, like that. Keep holding it. Okay, and it reset now. Okay, when it disappeared. So now we're gonna turn the car off. Okay, and if you go to second position and pump this one twice, you can check that you have 10,000 miles on it. So that's how you guys do it. Not very complicated at all. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully the video was helpful. We have the description in the of the procedure in the description of the video. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.